Artificial intelligence or AI has become very powerful today because of something called deep learning. Deep learning helps the computer learn from the data, just like humans learn from experiences. Using deep learning, we can build AI systems that can do specific tasks. For example, a chatbot that can answer customer questions, or a system that can detect fraud in the banking systems. Or let's say a tool that can predict machine failure in a factory. Earlier, building AI was very difficult. If you want to create a new AI system, you had to start from the beginning every time. You need to collect the data, then clean it, label it, train the model from that data, then test it, and then use it. This took a lot of time, money, and expert knowledge. Now, this has changed because of something called the foundation models. A foundation model is a big AI model that is already being trained using a huge amount of data. Instead of building a new AI model from scratch, we take this ready made model and adjust it slightly for our own work. This adjustment is called fine tuning. For example, if you want an AI that understands programming code, you start with the foundation model and train it with code examples. Or let's say, if you want an AI chatbot, you start with the foundation model and train it with conversation data. This makes AI development much faster and easier. Let's understand how AI models are created in 5 easy steps. First, we collect the data. AI needs a lot of data to learn. This data comes from books, websites, documents, or company records. Before using the data, we clean it. We remove the bad or harmful content. We also remove the repeated data in it. And we also remove the private or sensitive information. After cleaning, we get a good quality data set that the AI can safely learn from. Next, we train the AI model. Here, we choose a foundation model that fits our goal. Then, we feed the clean data into it. The AI learns patterns from the data. This step takes a long time and requires powerful computers. After training, we test the AI model. We check, is it giving correct answers? Is it working properly? Is the quality good? This helps understand how well the model has learned. Now, we make the model better. Developers give examples, prompts, or small extra data to improve performance. This step is much faster from the training from scratch. Finally, the AI model is ready to use. It can be used in a website, or let's say added to a mobile app, or we can run it in the cloud or use it in a business system. Even after using it, the model can be improved again and again. Foundation models have made AI easier, faster, and more powerful. Instead of starting from zero every time, we reuse smart models and customize them for our needs. This helps beginners, developers, and companies build AI solutions quickly and safely. So, let's build skills today that matter tomorrow.